Welcome friends! How are you? Are you fine? I'm fine too. Today, me and my mom are going to make corn in the microwave for 5 minutes and it will take very little time. So, do you guys like corn? I love corn. I eat also in barbecue and also in other places. So, let's make corn. Guys, so I have the corn in my hands and the microwave is ready to cook the corn for 5 minutes. We're not going to peel off the corn, we are just going to put it like this. And then we have to put it on 5 minutes. They're super yummy. Please subscribe and like our channel. Allah Hafiz.